Hey guys, welcome to Econ Show. Today in this video, I will be discussing about the biosphere reserves of India. They are very important from the UPSC prelims point of view and also for other competitive exams where they could be asked very frequently. So let's discuss the biosphere reserves one by one. Uh, the first biosphere reserve that we can see here that lies in the state of adjoining Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. It is called the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. So we can say it's a Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. It was the first biosphere reserve that was opened in India in 1986. The very nearby biosphere reserve that's in the state of Kerala, that is Agast Malai. Agast Malai Biosphere Reserve. So it's a second biosphere reserve that's very near to Nilgiri, and third, which lies near to the Gulf of Mannar. It is called Gulf of Mannar uh, Biosphere Reserve. Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve. So these three biosphere reserve are very near to each other in the southern India. And then there is one more. Uh, it is called Sheshachalam Biosphere Reserve. It lies in the state of Andhra Pradesh. It could be said as Sheshachalam. Sheshachalam Biosphere Reserve. So these four biosphere reserve we can see in the southern India. If we see the western India, we can very well find a biosphere reserve here. It could be called Gulf of Kaksh. Gulf of Kaksh Biosphere Reserve. So in the western India, you can only find best Gulf of Kaksh Biosphere Reserve. Now, if we see the northern India, there are two important biosphere reserve. One is called Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve. Cold Desert. Uh, Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve. It is in the state of Himachal Pradesh, and another one is in the Uttarakhand. It is called Nanda Devi. So Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve. Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve. It is also very important. Uh, then, if we see the central India, so in the central India, very in the north east of the Madhya Pradesh, you can find the Panna Biosphere Reserve. This is called Panna Biosphere Reserve. Panna Biosphere Reserve is very famous for tiger. Then you can also see here in the Chhattisgarh, adjoining Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh, that is called Achanak Mar Amarkantak. Achanak, Achanak Mar Amarkantak. Achanak Mar Amarkantak Biosphere Reserve. It's a very funny name, you see. Then we can see here near the Satpura, there's a Pachmadi. So Pachmadi Biosphere Reserve. Pachmadi Biosphere Reserve. We can see these are the ranges from where the river Narmada flows. It actually acts as a border between the Madhya Pradesh and the Maharashtra. So these are from the central India. Now, if we go in the northeast India, we can find the Kanchenjunga here. Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve. Then very near to it, to the similar latitude, we can find that there is one important biosphere reserve. It could be said as Dibang, Dibang and Dihang, Dibang and Dihang Biosphere Reserve. Near to it, in the state of Assam, you can find the Manas Manas Biosphere Reserve. Manas Biosphere Reserve is very important, and also to this you can find that Nokrek in Meghalaya. So here you can find Nokrek. I should write it Nokrek. Nokrek Biosphere Reserve in Meghalaya, and one more thing in the state of Assam, that is uh, Dibru Saikhowa. So Dibru Saikhowa. So I have mentioned those who are found in the eastern India. Then there is also one important here in the Odisha, that is Simlipal. Simlipal Biosphere Reserve. Simlipal Biosphere is also important, and then as you already know that there is a Great Sundarban. So Sundarban Biosphere Reserve. Majestic Bengal tiger is found in here, and here actually the where the from the river Ganga, Ganga's tributary, that is river Hooghly, flows through the city of Calcutta, and one part goes into the Bangladesh. So uh, effectively we can see our entire map is now covered with the biosphere reserve. So we can see there are 4 biosphere reserves in the south, one in the west, 2 in the north, and about 3 in the center, and 2 in the east, and remaining 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 in the northeast. So these are the total UNESCO led biosphere reserves that are present in India. I hope you like the video, so kindly like and share it. Thank you.